Today I'm gonna do Monster Truck Jam.
Hot Wheels Monster Jam Trucks. Okay.
Yeah, let's open it. I need some help.
You're gonna try to rip it from the top, maybe? Would that work?
I can't do it. I can't do it.
Okay. Let's see what you have there.
Oh, look what we have. Okay, and it comes with this thing. That's cool.
What is that thing?
Sticker launcher. Here's stickers. Is this a sticker? Yep, it's a sticker, guys. It comes with a sticker.
Comes with a sticker?
Yeah.
Okay.
What else comes with? That's it. Now what is it?
Is that a red thing like a little key or something that goes in the truck?
Yeah.
No?
Here he is. Here he is. This is what he looks like. This is what he looks like. Okay, next. Ooh! Guys, look at what I have. It has a little star. That's cool. Guys, look at I have.
What do you have there?
I have no idea.
You have no idea?
Yeah. Wait.
You have two monster? Oh, it's a Monster Jam truck. Mystery trucks.
Yeah.
So it's Hot Wheels Monster Jam
Yeah, so
mystery trucks.
we have this guy. Wait, I need the launcher. Oh, here's the launcher. It's here. Go in there. There we go. Here, this is it. This is it. Let's try to put this one. Are you ready, guys? Woo! What? Go in there.
Where did they go?
Here's one. And here's another one.
You found them?
Yeah. This one comes with a sticker. What is his name? What do you think his name, Mommy?
What does it say?
Wait, we need instructions.
You need instructions?
Here, metal mummy shit, and this one is shaker.
Okay.
Okay, guys, do you want to have a race?
Sure.
Okay, who do you think who's going to win, shaker or metal?
I think the metal. Where did they go?
Oh, this one loses! This one loses!
Shaker lost?
Yeah! And silver won!
You mean metal?
Metal won! I knew it! I knew he won! Okay, next. Let's do... These are so small, guys. These are small. And these are one of my monster trucks. This one I got from the store. Look. This one has so noisy sounds. And this one is my favorite one. See, that's my favorite noise. I know I like this part of it because I can carry stuff. Look. See?
Oh, you got your little trucks in there.
I can carry everything in the back. I know. Look at this, guys. Look at that. I have a sticker in there. Where could we put the sticker, guys? Guys, where should we put the sticker?
No, that's your sticker. Where are you going to put it?
How about right here. This one's going to be guys, maybe we should put it. Oh, great. Guys, I put it right here. Look.
Turn it around so we can see it. Oh, yeah. I can see it.
Yeah, but where's the other one? Let's put shaker in here. Rock. Hey now, you're a rock star. Shake game on. Hey. Only shooting stars. Look at that, guys. Do you like it?
I like it.
Rock and roll is running through my veins. Now, guys, I hope you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like.